Hi, I'm Ashley Collier, the Mortgage Maven, and this is your mortgage market update for Monday, February 9th. Today we saw mortgage-backed securities. They worsened by 5 basis points. The 10-year U.S. Treasury improved by 2 basis points, now at 4.19. And some news out of China. Well, China told their banks and financial institutions to either reduce or restrict their purchases or holdings of U.S. Treasuries. We know Scott Bessent, the U.S. Treasury Secretary, has been calling for bank deregulation so that banks would be allowed to purchase more U.S. Treasuries. And this move by China could actually speed up the timeline for getting that done. And on Wednesday, we'll get the BLS report that was due Friday of last week. But due to the government shutdown temporarily, that has postponed that till this Wednesday. The bar has been set very high at 70,000 job creations expected. It's more likely going to come in much lower, according to other outside sources. And we do know the BLS says that they are adjusting their birth-death model because their measurement of small business creation and destruction has been so incredibly wrong. I mean, they've been ridiculously off in the past. So it'll be interesting to see if they are more in line with those outside sources. And the January CPI is coming out on Friday. The headline is currently 2.68. This is the Consumer Price Index. Core is 2.64, and the January 2025 numbers we're replacing with January 2026 were quite high. So it is expected we could see a year-over-year drop on the headline of 0.2 to 0.4% on the core, 0.2 to 0.3%. That could mean headline could be as low as 2.4% and core 2.5%. And the Intercontinental Exchange, also known as ICE Mortgage Monitor, says that if rates dropped to 6%, that could trigger 5.5 million refinances, where the average savings would be 0.3%. Now, if you have an interest rate that's say like over 6.5% and you're one of those 5.5 million, you're going to want to contact me sooner than later, because we need to make sure that we get your credit up as high as possible between now and then. And I specialize in credit optimization. So give me a call and tune in for the next mortgage market update, and have a great night.